Well, the statewide eviction moratorium ends this month, but two cities are extending it. Both Kenmore and Burien are extending their moratoriums until January 15th of next year. The extension is meant to give renters and tenants more time to access rental assistance. Seattle extended its moratorium last month until mid-January.
But for many other cities, the statewide eviction moratorium ends October 31st. And starting today, some tenants facing eviction now have one more resource available to them. King 5's Sebastian Robertson joining us live now to explain the new law providing free legal services. Sebastian.
Well, experts predicting, some fearing, a wave of evictions in coming weeks as that moratorium expires in cities and counties across the state. But under this new law, some tenants can have a lawyer appointed to them, and it's something that's never been done before. As pandemic-era protections expire, many are working to prevent widespread evictions.
Well, we anticipate being really busy. We have, even the amount of attorneys we have is probably not going to be able to meet the need.
Edmund Witter and a team of lawyers for King County's Housing Justice Project will soon be appointed low-income tenants facing eviction. A new program makes Washington the first state to provide counsel to tenants who haven't paid rent.
So it's a very different type of right to counsel. It's something that no real state has ever experimented with or ever tried before, but it's going to ultimately potentially save a lot of housing.
In Pierce County, some 23,000 households are behind a combined $95 million in rent. That's according to data from the U.S. Census Bureau released in mid-September. Valerie Almany works for the county, says despite this, she has yet to see one eviction due to non-payment. A sign for her that the system is working.
So a lot of the landlords we have dealt with, and we have over 6,000 in our portal, they don't want to evict people. They want a resolution, they want support, they want funding, and they want communication.
Though the real test will come as Governor Inslee's eviction moratorium is set to expire on October 31st. That's just under 4 weeks away.
Because our goal is to not have any lull in services. We want to make sure that we are supporting as many tenants as possible and making as many landlords whole as we can.
And experts want to make it clear that court-appointed attorney is really a last resort for those tenants who can't pay. First thing to do, among the first thing, is to apply for rental assistance through your city or county. For more information on how to get legal representation, text the word legal to 206-448-4545. We'll send you info right to your phone.
Thanks so much, Sebastian. A new eviction prevention program was launched in Whatcom County, the Eviction Resolution Pilot Program. It requires tenants and landlords to work together with a specialist to resolve rent that is owed. Through the program, the landlord and tenant can develop a payment plan, rental assistance, or create a move-out plan without going to court. Before any legal action is taken, landlords must provide the tenant with a notice about that prevention program.